Hare Krishna. So we are on the 5th verse of the 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Yesterday we have seen Arjuna raises a question. He says, my dear Krishna, you are telling me that you have told this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita to sun god Vivaswan, but you appear to be my friend. We have been living together. Sun god seems to be so very old. How am I to understand that you have told this knowledge to sun god Vivaswan? So Krishna is very prompt in answering. He answers in today's verse, the 5th verse of the 4th chapter. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tavacharjuna tanyaham veda sarvani natvam vetha parantapah. Krishna says, many births both you and I have passed. I can remember all of them, but you cannot, O subduer of enemy. So Krishna is very prompt in saying that it is not that this is my first time or this is the first birth I have taken, nor is it that you have taken your first birth. Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tavacha Arjuna. अरे मैंने बहुत जन्म ले चुके हैं, तुमने भी बहुत जन्म लिए हो अर्जुन. What is the difference? Tanyaham veda sarvani. I know all my previous births. Natvam vetha. You don't remember them. So we see this is the distinction between God and living entity. भगवान के हमने देखा, we have seen this concept previously. What is death? Death is basically extended sleep. हम हर रोज रात को सोते हैं, 6 घंटे 7 घंटे सोते हैं. जब हम सोते हैं हम भूल जाते हैं हम कौन हैं, पुरुष हैं, स्त्री हैं, कहाँ रह रहे हैं, हम सब सुध बुध खो बैठते हैं. The next day when the alarm bell rings, immediately I am awakened. अरे ये काम बाकी है, वो काम बाकी है, चलो 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 जल्दी जल्दी. फिर घड़ी की सुई फिर से हमें drives us. Yes. So the 7 hours that we have been sleeping, we have forgotten ourselves. That is sleep. What is death? When this sleep extends for 1 month, 2 months, might be a year or 2, this is called death. Death basically is extended sleep. So we see, we can easily understand this phenomena with a simple example. I am writing on a book. Yes. So as long as I am writing, each day beginning is starting of the line. Each day end is end of the line. The next day I wake up, starting of the next line. The next day ends, ending of the same line. इस तरह से हमारा पूरा जीवन चलता है. Till the time I am on the same page, I can see and I can recollect all that has happened in this page. As soon as I turn my page, which is death, although I have written a lot, but I don't see what I have written. I forget what I have written. Yes, this is our condition. So, what is the difference between sleep and death? Every time I change my line, but in death, I start from a new page. But Krishna is not like this. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He says, with I know all of them. Tanyaham veda sarvani. So we see here what makes us forget. It is the change of body that makes us forget. Correct or no? We were all at one point of time 5 years old. At one point of time we were 15 years old. One time we got married. One time we were 35, 40. We had small children. One time we are now in our 50s. Sometime later we'll be in our 60s, 70s. तो जो 5 साल का शरीर था वो मेरे पास अब नहीं है. जो 10 साल का शरीर हुआ वो मेरे पास अब नहीं है. शादी किया हुआ 25 साल का जो शरीर था वो मेरे पास अब नहीं है. जब हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे हुए 35 साल की उम्र में, वो मेरे पास अब शरीर नहीं है. शरीर बदलता रहा और इस शरीर के बदलने के साथ जो गत शरीर, उसकी स्मृतियां भी क्षीण होती गई. हमने 1 साल हम यूकेजी गए हैं रोज, लेकिन वो पूरे 1 साल की बात आपको याद है क्या? नहीं, वो शरीर चला गया। पिछले 6 महीने में क्या हुआ है वो याद है, लेकिन 10 साल बाद ये 6 महीने में क्या हुआ हम भूल जाएंगे। So basically, even in this life, we have kept forgotten so many things. So it is the change of body that causes forgetfulness. And when Krishna says he has not forgotten anything, we must know that because his body doesn't deteriorate, his body doesn't change. Yes, Brahma Samhita explains this concept very beautifully. Brahma ji says, Advaitam achyuta anadi ananta rupam adyam purana purusham navayauvanam cha vedeshu durlabham adurlabham atma bhaktau govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. Who is God? Advaita. He is only one. He has no second. Advaita, achyuta. He never falls down. Anadi ananta rupam. If you see his form, he is bigger than biggest. No beginning, no end. Adyam Purana Purusham. He is the first of the most primeval beings. But Nava Yauvanam cha. He is still sweet 16-year-old boy. Yes. So how can we understand this? We can understand this from Krishna's today's shloka, his statement. Tanyaham Veda Sarvani. How am I knowing everything? Because body doesn't change. There is no forgetfulness. So, what is Krishna consciousness? भगवान की भक्ति करना क्या है? हमें अब जो भगवान की विस्मृति हो गई है, पुनरपि जननम पुनरपि मरणम के इस संसार चक्र में जाते हुए जो हम भगवान को भूल गए हैं, इस स्मृति को फिर से हमारे मन के पर्दे पर छाप लगा करके परमानेंट कर देना, ये भक्ति है. Otherwise, we have all done so many things. We have gone through so many things, we have remembered and we have forgotten so many things. And in that so many things, even God comes. So, Krishna consciousness is to know that there is a stark distinction between Him and us. And the process to revive it is bhakti. Thank you very much. And we'll be releasing a special video which will give you the results of the quiz. So, stay tuned. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.